à tous. J'espère que vous allez bien. Je m'appelle Chetna et aujourd'hui on va commencer avec les adjectifs démonstratifs. Donc, what is adjective demonstrative? Demonstrative adjectives are basically the adjectives that we use to say this and that. Okay, so basically to show something. This book, this pen, right? Whenever you go to the market, you have to say this to your mother, right? Whenever you go with her, Mom, look at this coat. Has it, right? You demonstrate that. You show them that, right? So on a cut through adjective demonstrative, ce, cette, say, and say. Donc, the last one, which is cet, has the tendency to always come with a vowel, okay? On utilise cet with the masculine vowels always. So we have the tendency to pronounce the T at the end. Otherwise, et is A that we use for and, right? But here we pronounce the T because we have the rule of liaison that we call in French, right? So, cet homme. If you see the example here, cet homme est gentil, right? So, we will pronounce the T here. Okay, let's see the first one. The first one is CE. This is the adjective that we use with masculine nouns. So, ce livre, ce stylo. Okay, the next one we have is CETTE, set, always used with the feminine nouns, whether starting with a vowel or not starting with a vowel. So here, if the noun is feminine, it has to take CETTE. Only we have the vowels category with the masculine ones. Okay, that is CET. Then you have say. Now here, masculine or feminine, but if the noun is plural, or utilise say. Okay, let's see the examples. Ce livre est intéressant. Cette robe est jolie. Ces enfants jouent. Cet homme est jeune. Now, there are some more examples. Ce chien est méchant. So this dog is naughty. Cette voiture est rapide. This car is fast. Cet ordinateur est neuf. This computer is neat. Ces fleurs sont jolies. These flowers are pretty. Okay, now we have some exercises for you to practice. The first one, it is starting with A, which is a vowel. So how many vowels do we have in French? We have 7 vowels. A, E, I, O, U, H, and Y. But arbre being an exception, it is not feminine in nature. So cet arbre, which is CET, cet arbre est très grand. Cette fille est intelligente. Ces hommes sont polis. Cette idée est originale. CETTE. Et ce cahier est à moi. So if you want more such practices, more such grammar topics, any grammar topic that you feel you are unable to understand, just write down in the comment and we will be following whatever topic you want. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.